In the most recent FOMC meeting, the Fed held rates unchanged, which was no surprise, and it meant that this liquidity-driven long-term bull market in stocks and crypto will continue running. Stocks and crypto are actually pretty correlated, and the biggest danger to the uptrend is if yields start rising. Hi, this is Spencer, founder of Synapse Trading, and I've been trading and traveling across the world to teach and inspire others how to do the same. In this video, I'm going to do an overview of the stock and crypto market as well as review some of our recent trades. Before we go into the markets, let's take a quick look at the COVID situation with a focus on vaccination. As you can see from this chart, vaccination rollout globally is progressing slowly, with less than 10% of the world population having at least one vaccine dose. Numerous variants have been detected globally, such as Britain's B117 strain, Brazilian P1 variant, South Africa's B1351, and India's double mutant variant called B1617. This does not bode well, and we can see a large disparity between the richer and less affluent countries. Nevertheless, the financial markets seem to be disjointed from the real world as asset prices continue to climb. If we look at the daily trends, the crypto market, stock market, and even the oil market are all in a strong bull trend. And with the recent earnings season, a record 87% of S&P 500 companies have beat earnings estimates, and earnings look to be growing by more than 46%, according to Refinitiv. Credit Suisse chief US equity strategist Jonathan Golub has raised his forecast for the S&P 500 based on strong earnings. He wrote, "We are raising our 2021 S&P 500 price target to 4,600 from 4,300, representing 9.2% upside from current levels and 22.5% for the year. This coming week, we will also see the data from the NFP, which is the non-farm payrolls, which will tell us how good the job market is amidst the US recovery from COVID. In my previous market analysis post, I predicted the breakout of the S&P 500 with the first target of around 4120 and the second target of 4215. On 13 April 2021, it hit the first target of 4120, and in the Telegram screenshot above, I said that it will continue to the next price target of 4215. And just a few days ago, we saw the exact target being hit. Bitcoin was very exciting because we traded it downwards and then upwards, and both trades were very profitable. We spotted this rising wedge in Bitcoin, which was bearish, so we took a short position, and from here we saw a 25% correction from its all-time highs. Following that, I pinpointed a rebound for Bitcoin with uncanny precision. Within just 2 days, we saw a rebound of 17% from the lows, but we were still not done. Finally, after 7 days, we took profit at the resistance level, netting a 24% profit in 7 days. Dogecoin admittedly was a more volatile creature, so we had to be more careful in finding trading opportunities for this. Finally, we spotted a huge pin bar, which is a bullish hammer candle, and this was the perfect opportunity for a long trade. From there, it went up 38% in the next 5 days, and it still looks like it can continue going up, so we are still holding on to this. I mentioned in my previous market analysis post that Ethereum is even more bullish than Bitcoin based on the chart, and now you can see why. In just 13 days after hitting the support level, which was a great place to buy, we netted a profit of 50%, and the price still looks to be heading higher. At this point, I won't be too greedy and will take most profits and wait for the next pullback to enter again. Here's some feedback from one of my new students, and I'm glad to see they are profiting from the crypto bull run as well. I have come to the end of this market analysis. Now that I've shared my views on the various markets, do you think the markets will continue going up, or will it be a case of sell in May and go away? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have enjoyed this video, do remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification icon to receive the latest updates. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.